Have you ever faced confusion with data management in databases? Today, we'll explore the concept of normalization in DBMS. Our goal is to understand how to organize data effectively. Start by defining normalization. It organizes data to reduce redundancy. Next, consider why normalization is essential. It fixes issues like inconsistent data and improves storage efficiency. Now, let's discuss the types of normalization. The first form is 1NF, ensuring data is atomic. No repeating groups are allowed here. Moving on to 2NF, your table must be in 1NF and lack partial dependencies. Next, we have 3NF. This form eliminates transitive dependencies. Then, there's BCNF, which is stricter than 3NF. Every dependency must rely on a superkey. Lastly, let's briefly cover 4NF and 5NF. They address multi-valued and joint dependencies, respectively. Now, let's consider a real-life example. Amazon orders illustrate bad versus normalized design. Organizing customer and product data prevents repetition. Normalization offers several benefits. Expect better memory usage, faster updates, and enhanced security. In summary, normalization helps organize data and reduces redundancy. Remember the 5 normal forms for efficient database design. I encourage you to apply what you've learned about normalization. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. In our next video, we'll cover denormalization and asset properties in detail. See you then.